don't stress your mind.
Hello my beautiful Nicolettes, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. This is going to be 10 tips on how to get your life together. So this is really going to help you guys to get motivated if you're in a rut, to get you out of that rut. Thumbs it up if you want more videos like this and if you liked it. And before I begin, make sure you guys join the fam jam by hitting the subscribe button and as well as the bell notification so you're notified when I upload a video like this. My post notification shout out to... Thank you so much, and also my Instagram shout out goes to, if you guys want to be a part of that, all you have to do is comment with hashtag post notification squad, and also just comment that on my Instagram and follow, and I may show you guys out next. That being said, let's just jump into the tips. The first one, and that is a simple one, and it's just to clean and clear your space. I know that it's really simple, and you may not think this really does much, but it really does, because I've noticed within the past year that if my room is really cluttered and I'm in a workspace that's just a mess, I feel more stressed, my brain feels more cluttered, and I just feel so much better when I'm working in a space that's really clean and clear. It's gonna make you focus more. The tip I have for you guys is to spend 10 minutes out of your day and just clean things up. It's also not gonna make your space look like a tornado one day. You guys have seen my cleaning the room videos and you guys can see how much my room can get. So I'll link those ones down below if you're curious to see how I clean and all that stuff. It's just way better to work in a clearer space. The second tip I have for you guys is to have a planning system. Get organized on what you have to do, because a lot of the time you may just forget things and we don't want that. A tip I have for you guys is to have a planner, to have a to-do list, to have notebooks. I like to have it all. Planner, I like to really write my main events, so if I have an event, I have an appointment, if I have something due, so I can see my month. I also like to have notebooks when it comes to my work ideas, and then I also like to have to-do lists. I love to-do lists because I think it keeps you on track every single day, right? Every single thing I want done in the day, and I can just cross it off while I'm going through my day, and it feels so satisfying to cross something off your list. You just feel so accomplished. It's the little things, the little things. If you're not someone that likes to write things down, you can always use your phone. They have the notes section, they have a calendar, so it's really up to you. It's to set daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly goals. So I think it's important to set a bunch of goals, not just for like those big end goals that may take you a long time. I think it's important to also focus on smaller goals. A daily goal is something that I think should be completely separate from your to-do list. I think daily goals could be things such as try to be kinder, try not to gossip about people, little goals that you want to do to become a better person or a more successful person in your life. It's really great to also set yourself up for success, not just failure, and have a really big unattainable goal right now. I have a little notebook that says dream big, set goals, and take action, and I love to write my goals in this book, and that brings me to a really big goal that I'm working towards. Is I want to be able to move out and buy my own house, and I've been trying to save money and do the best I can to be able to make that happen. I like to also have that in my mind as well, and that leads me to put away some money. I'm going to talk to you guys about kind of like finances and things like that, because I think it's really, really important to start young or start now if it's something that you kind of struggled with. I think it's important to look at your finances, also build your credit and have good credit. Credit is pretty much a reflection of your financial stability. It's also your ability to be able to make those payments, so kind of be responsible, and I think it's important to start this young or start focusing on it even if you aren't at the age where you're gonna move out and stuff like that, because pretty much you have to have a down payment for almost everything big that you end up purchasing in your life, whether it's a car, whether it's your future home. So it's really important to have that good credit so you can get those loans and be financially stable. It's something that I have been using a ton to really help me make sure I have my credit on point, make sure I am just like financially stable and have the best knowledge that I can get, is creditsesame.com. I'm actually partnering up with them, and it's an amazing website. It's a free service, so I definitely recommend it, and I want to talk to you guys about it because especially if you're someone like me who's trying to save to move out, to purchase my own home one day soon, then this is really great. Even if it's not just for a home, buying a home, just other things, to be able to have your credit good is really important. Credit Sesame is a website, and it's also, you can download the app. I'll have the link for the website down below for you guys. It's one of the fastest growing startups in personal finance. It allows you to be able to make sure your credit score is on check. It also gives you a credit analysis. So it gives you tips for managing your finances. So I think it's a really, really useful service that is really beneficial. You don't have to put any credit card information like that. Once you sign up, they also provide you with a free identity theft protection of up to $50,000. So it's just extremely useful because it allows you to see your credit score, allows you to have tips to help better your credit or keep your credit on point, see what's kind of going on. It empowers you to take control of your financial future. The website is super simple, the layout is extremely useful, and also it gives you other information such as like credit card information, credit cards that may be useful for you or that you may be able to get approved of. There's a section on loans and houses and all that kind of stuff. So it has a lot of things that you can really learn about. And if your credit isn't the greatest, it's going to give you tips to help better your credit, and as well as it gives you a free monthly update of your credit score. You can't go wrong with that. So it just makes you stay on track when it comes to your financial stability, and it makes you really aware to be able to become successful in the end of the day. Once again, I will leave Credit Sesame down below for you guys, so I definitely recommend checking it out. It is an amazing website and it's gonna help you a lot when it comes to finances. And sticking on to the finance thing, I have a little tips for you guys to help save more money. So a little hack I have for you guys is to buy a little jar, and a lot of the times I have so much change in my purse, in my car, everywhere. In Canada we have like loonies, toonies, I guess Americans have $1 bills, but like little things, if you have just change everywhere, just start putting it into a little jar and you're gonna realize how much it accumulates, and it's gonna be extra money for you. Also, if you guys do work and you get a paycheck, I think it's really important to take a portion of your paycheck, every single paycheck you get, and put it to your saving. Take something that's realistic to you, that's not gonna affect you, and it's gonna also make a difference if you keep putting it aside every single month. As well as another little thing I have for you guys is cut things out that are unnecessary. So I used to get my nails done a lot. I've cut it out. It's a little ugly AF right now, but we're gonna ignore that. And I'm still gonna get it done when I wanna treat myself, but I realize it's just a waste of money to constantly get it done when I could just paint them myself, even though your girl paints like a 5-year-old. I think a 5-year-old paints better than me when it comes to nails. So rarely buy coffee anymore. I basically make my own coffee at home because it adds up. You don't really think it adds up, but it adds up, and eventually you're gonna notice the difference in the end of the day by the end of the year. Be financially aware, be aware of your credit, all of that good stuff. Get your life on track, be successful in the future, and you will thank yourself later. Number 5 is to establish a routine. So YouTube has a bunch of morning routines, night routines. I've done a lot on my channel, and I think it's really important to establish a routine and do it for a while so it becomes a habit. Fine, when I don't really have a schedule, I'm just less motivated, and something I like to do is wake up early every single day. I wake up at 6 in the morning every day and go to the gym for 6:30 a.m. This really motivates me. A tip I have for you guys is you may not want to wake up that early, especially if you don't have to, but I really recommend at least waking up 25 minutes earlier than you normally do. It's gonna make the world of a difference. You can do so many things within that 25 minutes. It's gonna get your day started and it's gonna make you feel better. And it's important to have a routine for the week and have a routine for the weekend, because obviously your weekends are gonna be a little bit different than your week. Number 6 is to listen to TED Talks, listen to podcasts or motivational videos. I've been starting to do this recently because I really feel like it helps me get motivated if I'm ever lacking it, and it helps me feel inspired. It challenges my thoughts. It makes me just more aware. It really makes me realize like how much you can do in this life and how much I want to try and be as successful as I can, or as good of a person as I can. If you're not feeling inspired, I definitely recommend checking me out. There's so many on YouTube. I'll leave a couple down below. It's gonna get rid of those negative thoughts as well. You can also pick up a motivational book if you love reading. I definitely recommend going for more motivational books or self-help books. Things like that are just gonna make you feel in such a better space. Number 7 is to eat healthier. Sorry guys, I don't know if the angle changed, but my battery died, so I had to switch it. Where were we? Eat healthier. Whenever I eat like crap, I feel like crap. I feel sluggish, I feel tired. What you really put in your body is gonna fuel you, it's gonna make you feel more energetic, it's gonna make you feel better about yourself than if you just sit there and eat potato chips all day long. Number 8 is find time to work out. Be active. There's never a time where you go to the gym and you regret going to the gym. You always feel much better about yourself once you get that workout in. I think it's really important to take time, whether it's 30 minutes, an hour out of every single day, or at least a few times a week, and do that workout. It's gonna make you feel more energized, it's gonna make you feel better, and you're just gonna, it's healthy for you, as well as it's important to take care of your body. I definitely like to go right in the morning, and that's why I wake up super early. Find that this is the system that works for me. If you're someone that doesn't like to sit at the gym and lift weights and stuff like that, find something that's gonna be fun for you, whether it's going to classes like yoga, Pilates, or joining a sports team, or even just doing at-home workouts. I have a whole fitness playlist. I'll link it down below for you guys. I have workouts in it. I have healthy food ideas. I have so many videos that I think are gonna be really, really essential to you if you're someone that's trying to get more healthier. Number 9 is to focus on yourself. And I really wanna talk about this tip because I think it's really important, and that is to get rid of the people that are toxic in your life and to start actually focusing about yourself and realizing your worth. And realizing your worth. I used to have a hard time letting go of people because I felt like I was giving up. I'm a very loyal person. I didn't like letting go of people in my life, but sometimes it's okay and it's essential, because if someone doesn't care about you and they're always bringing you down and making you feel small, you don't want those people in your life. You want to surround yourself with people that are going to motivate you, make you feel good about yourself. In the end of the day, you have to think, is this person really benefiting to my life? Are they making my life harder? Do I feel like sad around them? Are they putting me down? You have to think about it. You will know if this is how you truly feel in the end of the day. In your gut, your head will tell you that this person's not right for you, and you just kind of have to bite the bullet and let them go and cut them off and know that you'll be okay in the end of the day. The people that are meant to come into your life will naturally come into your life, and if you're focusing on yourself, making yourself a better person, you like attract that. When I was in a really bad space 2 years ago or a year and a half, and I kept attracting these people that basically didn't care about me and treated me like crap, and I was just wasting my time on all these like crappy people, essentially, like, let's be honest. And it was like a little cycle. It was just horrible. I was in a bad mindset. I was attracting these horrible people. They were making me feel even worse. When I finally decided that I'm gonna focus on myself, focus on my goals, and I'm gonna be the best version that I can be, I realized that I started to see the people that genuinely cared, and people started to come into my life that genuinely were good people, that I was losing hope that there was even good people left in this world. And that leads me to number 10, and that is to go out of your comfort zone. So do things that you've always wanted to do, but you're too scared to do. It's important to go out of your comfort zone and do things that are gonna make you grow as a person. And sometimes you may feel nervous, you may feel scared, but you'll feel so much better once it's done. You'll feel like you accomplished something. You'll feel so proud of yourself. Those are all the tips I have for you guys. I hope they were really useful. I had so much fun making this video. I love just sitting here and talking to you guys and just trying to motivate you guys, trying to inspire you guys, because I know I love watching videos like this. So I hope you guys really liked this. Thumbs it up if you guys liked it, as well as don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join the Nicolette Fam Jam. So your girl uploads every other day here on my channel, and as well as hit that bell notification so you're notified every single time I upload a video like this. And also don't forget to go head over to creditsesame.com. I'll have the link down below. Get your finances on check. And that being said, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!